Welcome, everyone. We're diving into a deep discussion on choosing between registering your company in Dubai or London.
I'm really excited to get into this. There's so much to unpack in terms of costs, regulations, and lifestyle factors.
Absolutely. Um, it's like it's like comparing a traditional financial powerhouse with a dynamic, innovative hub. London's got centuries of banking and legal heritage, while Dubai is transforming fast with tax incentives and streamlined processes.
Yep, and that historical legacy in London means access to a large established market, but with quite a few bureaucratic hurdles.
Right. London offers a robust legal framework and a deep talent pool. But then there's the regulatory complexity, annual filings, and escalating compliance costs. It can
hmm
really weigh on a small business.
And then there's Dubai, which is all about simplicity. Their streamlined online processes and one stop licensing services really catch the eye.
Exactly. Plus, in Dubai, the company registration process stands out. For instance, free zone companies can be set up in just 3 to 7 days with inclusive packages.
Yeah, that's a real contrast to London's Companies House, where a standard registration takes about 24 hours but can quickly balloon with extra fees like agency charges and office space costs.
Uh, it's like it's like ordering a meal at a restaurant where London has all the a la carte extras that add up over time, while Dubai offers a neat fixed price menu with transparent pricing.
Right, absolutely. Speaking of costs, the hidden fees in London, registered office fees, accounting, and insurance, really add up compared to Dubai's all inclusive packages.
And then there's taxation. London faces a double taxation scenario with corporation tax, dividend tax, and even capital gains tax, which can reach up to 50% overall.
Which is pretty steep. On the flip side, Dubai's zero personal income tax and even their free zones offering 0% corporate tax on qualifying income make it a game changer for your bottom line.
Exactly. Even with Dubai's 9% federal corporate tax that came in recently, free zone companies maintain exemption if they meet substance requirements. It's a huge advantage for reinvesting profits.
True, but don't you think London's mature tax laws also offer predictability even if the money leak is more apparent?
That's a fair point, though one could argue that predictability comes at a high operational cost. The tax differential between the two could, for a profitable company, translate into hundreds of thousands in savings.
Mm-hmm. And speaking of operational cost, the banking systems are another big piece. London has sophisticated banking, yet with strict due diligence leading to longer setup times.
True, opening a business bank account in London can take 4 to 8 weeks with minimum deposits of £5,000 to £10,000, while Dubai banks might get you approved in just 2 to 4 weeks with better international transfer rates.
Exactly, and Dubai's multi currency accounts really simplify international trade. That strategic position at the crossroads of East and West is a huge plus.
Right. Geographically, Dubai offers incredible access to markets in the Middle East, Africa, and Asia. Not to mention, its free zones are specialized, like DMCC for commodities and Dubai Media City for creative industries.
Yeah, it's almost like each free zone in Dubai is a specialized toolkit for different businesses. Meanwhile, London, though strong in finance and creative sectors, can feel really crowded.
Correct. The market saturation in London means more competition and higher customer acquisition costs. In Dubai, you face a rapidly growing ecosystem with plenty of direct regional opportunities.
hmm Not to mention the visa and immigration aspects. London's post Brexit visa system can be a nightmare with its innovative founder visa requirements, lengthy processing, and extra fees.
Uh huh. Whereas Dubai's progressive policies, like the Golden Visa for investors, offer long term residency that's both straightforward and flexible. Registration even automatically qualifies you for investor visa processing in just 2 to 4 weeks.
Yeah, that's a huge incentive if you're planning on a long term presence abroad. Plus, the family sponsorship in Dubai makes it even more attractive.
Absolutely. And let's not forget the quality of life comparisons. London's vibrant culture and history are remarkable, but the high cost of living and gloomy weather can be a challenge for
Right.
many.
True, while Dubai offers year round sunshine, beautiful beaches, and a resort style lifestyle that can really enhance both work and leisure.
Exactly. For entrepreneurs who value a blend of work-life balance with business growth, Dubai's cost advantages, like 20 to 40% lower rent compared to London, are compelling.
Though I must point out, Dubai also has its own cultural protocols and business customs that require adjustment. Not every entrepreneur may find that transition effortless.
Fair enough, but with the robust support from firms like Bizinvest Firm, those challenges are mitigated through expert consultations, visa processing, and streamlined compliance assistance.
Mm-hmm. That's a key aspect. Having a partner who can navigate the local bureaucracy can save so much time and stress. And of course, they highlight the transparent pricing with no hidden fees.
Yes, Bizinvest Firm clearly lays out the cost structure for mainland, free zone, and offshore setups, making it easier for entrepreneurs to budget and plan.
So, if you're an entrepreneur deciding between London and Dubai, you'd really have to consider factors like tax structure, market access, regulatory complexity, and even lifestyle preferences.
Exactly. There's no one-size-fits-all answer. If you're targeting European markets with a need for established infrastructure, London might be your spot.
Mm-hmm.
But if you prioritize tax efficiency, strategic geography, and a vibrant modern environment, Dubai could be the clear winner.
And sometimes the hybrid approach makes sense, using London for its market prestige while running primary operations out of Dubai for cost and tax benefits.
Right, that's the best of both worlds. Some companies maintain a virtual office in London to satisfy client confidence while enjoying the operational advantages of Dubai.
It's like having a European handshake and a Middle Eastern backbone all at once.
Absolutely. And in the long term, Dubai's lower operational costs and simpler compliance can provide a faster path to profitability and scalability.
Although I do wonder if London's regulatory framework could eventually adapt to streamline its processes, would that tip the balance again?
That's an interesting thought. While London's system is steeped in tradition, any significant regulatory shift might improve its appeal. But for now, the heavy tax and compliance burdens make Dubai very attractive.
Yeah. So the decision really comes down to your business model, target market, and personal priorities. Thanks for walking through these insights. It truly sheds light on the pros and cons of each hub.
Exactly. Thanks for joining in. Whether it's London's established legacy or Dubai's innovative surge, the best choice is the one that aligns with your long-term vision.